There are many wonderful traditional enchantments all over the world. But frankly, one of the most popular and best-selling charms is the dream catcher. However, have you ever wondered what exactly a dream catcher is or how it works? Well, let us travel you to the religion and the wonderful stories of Native American culture. According to Hopi religion, the Spider Grandmother, or the Spider Woman, is the creator of all humankind. She is actually related to Gaia, the Mother Nature, or Great Goddess. Also known as the Great Protector and Helper of Humans, according to Navajo tradition, the Spider Grandmother dates back at least to Toshihilcan, pre-Columbian America, where she is depicted as the Great Goddess. Also known as Ashabi-Kashi, the Spider Grandmother is believed to protect the infants and all children of the land. To honor her and conjure her blessings, people in these lands created charms which have been evolved to what is widely known as dream catchers. As the tribes spread all around America, people believed that Ashabi-Kashi was unable to effectively protect all her children. This is why people used these charms, or better portals of Ashabi-Kashi, from which she could extend her blessings and protective powers. Frances Teresa Densmore was an American anthropologist and ethnographer who noticed and researched these charms, writing that, even infants were provided with protective charms. Examples of these are the spiderwebs hung on the hoop of a cradle board. In old times, this netting was made of nettle fiber. 2 spiderwebs were usually hung on the hoop, and it was said that they caught any harm that might be in the air, as a spider's web catches and holds whatever comes in contact with it. What is a dream catcher? Traditionally, the dream catcher is a handmade charm drenched in not magic power. It consists of a willow hoop on which a spiderweb is woven. Its use is not confined to only driving off bad dreams. The dream catcher's purpose is to protect children not only from nightmares, but from all causes of bad luck and misfortune. This common misunderstanding probably comes from the Native Americans' belief that all causes of bad luck, ill health, and misfortune, is actually the result of a spiritual agent. In other words, diseased, sudden deaths, accidents, and other unfortunate events are caused by spirits. There are 2 theories of how the dream catchers work. The portal theory, according to this belief, which makes more sense, the dream catcher is nothing but a spiritual portal, an instrument of Great Goddess. It acts like a sigil, conjuring her divine powers over the room where the dream catcher is placed. This is why it is hung over cradles or beds. Ashabi-Kashi, the spider goddess, will bless the room with her magic and trap all evil agents and spirits on her web. The Great Goddess shall not let evil pass through this space because evil is afraid of her. The dream web. According to another popular theory, all dreams are attracted by the woven spider web. However, only good dreams can pass through, as the bad ones are stuck on the web. Hence, when hung over cradles and beds, a dream catcher ensures that anyone can have a good night's sleep without any nightmares or bad dreams. How to make a dream catcher? In order to make a dream catcher, you need to get a willow bark to create a hoop. Weave a spider net in it. Hang around sacred symbols. There are of course many do-it-yourself kits in the Amazon store where you get all you need to create it. I personally believe that once you make it, you weave the net with your magical intention. Hence it's more powerful. Dream catchers proper care. Dream catchers are charms who drive off evil. This is why they need proper cleansing. Hence, you either place the dream catcher where it can be exposed to sunlight, or you should periodically manually place it outside when the sun shines. This will ensure that the dream catcher works effectively and undistracted. Moreover, I would advise you to intentionally call upon Mother Nature's guidance and help to bless this charm with her might and wisdom.